Okay, here's a little sneak peek at the super secret project. The 2004 mystichrome Terminator convertible. Rough, rough. She needs some loving, but she did run and drive. Drove great, actually. It's got some mods, pulley swap, some exhaust, other little tune crap. But the problem I was having yesterday is I took it for a ride on a beautiful day with the top down, and it overheated. Steam started pouring out from the center of the engine. So obviously I knew it was going to be a water pump, maybe a hose or something else of the sort. So anyway, I dove off into it. It's the first time I've ever tackled a dual overhead cam supercharged water pump on any car, actually. I'm more of a Windsor guy. You guys know me for these Fox bodies. But nonetheless, decided to hell with it. I'll figure it out. Can't be that hard, right? So I did. And it wasn't that hard. Items need to be removed. Of course, you're talking about cooling fan, the pulley bridge, tensioners, various miscellaneouses until we get our way down to this water pump. So this definitely was the culprit. It was leaking heavily out of that top weep hole and then right down on top of the harmonic balancer. That's of course the pulley for the water pump. Anyway, these are the components, none of this, just these items. These are the components that had to be removed in order to remove that pulley bridge and water pump. While I was out, picked up a new thermostat gasket, new water pump, brake clean to make the mess a little better, and a new serpentine belt. Because once I got into it, I found out quickly that it's difficult to get to, so which means most people don't replace it. And it definitely has its fair share of cracking. Not the best. So while I'm in here, I figure, what the hell? Go ahead and get that done too. And work my way back out. Hopefully then I'll be able to bleed the system out, get new coolant in it, because the terrible looking coolant water was pretty rusty looking. I have to do a couple of flushes to get it all nice and clean again. But yeah, pretty straightforward. Won't be long now. Hopefully have all this crap back together. Be out there making them weed noises.